So I'm going to show you how to access the recycle bin where you can recover deleted files on your Xiaomi 17 or 17 Pro. Now, I'm going to be making this video based on the fact that I had already previously recommended the Files by Google app as a better file manager to the one that comes pre-installed on your Xiaomi 17. So launch the Google File Manager and then tap on the three lines in the top left corner and then select trash, and that's where all your basically your recycle bin where all the deleted files and folders are going to be. Now from here you'll be able to permanently delete or even recover. So let's take an example of this photo. So if I delete this picture, for instance, and now I go to the Files app, okay, or maybe I delete an image from here. Okay, now when I go to the trash can, I should see my deleted photos and videos, or deleted files basically. So you can select any file that you want to either permanently delete or restore. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.